The history of evolutionary theory. The concept of evolution began its roots in the ancient times with the civilizations of the Greeks, the Romans, and the Chinese. The Greeks proposed the idea that one type of animal could ascend from other types of animals. Stemming off of this idea, Greek philosophers such as Plato, Aristotle, and Anaximander of Miltiades theorized evolution by advocating theories such as the theory of essentialism, the theory that features of living organisms had been designed for a purpose, and the theory that animals originated from the water, and the first land animals only spent part of their time on land. On the other hand, in China, Taoist philosophers speculated that species had developed differing attributes in response to differing environments. With the foundations of evolutionary thought in place, evolutionary thinkers of the 17th century proposed new ideas to counter the beliefs of the past. Amidst the Enlightenment and Renaissance eras, the widely accepted view that evolution and change in species was a result of divine guidance became challenged. New ideas that opposed the Greek philosophers began to emerge that slowly changed the world's outlooks on their origins. Naturalists and scientists began to view natural phenomena in terms of the laws of nature. With the help of Carolus Linnaeus's biological classification system, naturalists began to test ideas such as Maupertuis's idea of natural modifications occurring during reproduction and accumulating over many generations to produce new species. Other ideas, such as Buffon's idea that species could degenerate into different organisms, and Erasmus Darwin's proposal that all warm-blooded animals could have descended from a single microorganism were also tested. Also during this time, the first fully fledged evolutionary theory called transmutation emerged through the work of Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. As evolutionary theory advanced, the pivotal figure in evolution emerged with the groundbreaking theory. Charles Darwin proposed his theory of natural selection, the notion that favorable variations in an organism prevail as others diminish due to competition among organisms. This theory explained the diversity among animals and plants and answered many unanswered questions relating to evolution in its time. Similarly, Alfred Russel Wallace independently proposed the theory of natural selection separate from Darwin, but his publications were triumphed with Darwin's book, On the Origins of Species. Following Darwin's discoveries, evolutionary thought continued to expand to this day. Gregor Mendel discovered that traits were inherited in a predictable manner through independent assortment and segregation of genes. As years passed, new fields of study and theory stemmed from evolutionary theory, such as heredity, molecular biology, sociobiology, microbiology, and the modern evolutionary synthesis emerged to further explain our origins. In the end, evolution continues to be a widely researched topic, and only time will tell until all questions of our origins are answered.